You've ordered your hot tub and now need to prepare for its arrival. Here are a few things to note. Hot tubs are heavy. We use a hot tub sled to slide the hot tub on its side across the floor, or wooden panels. Hot tubs should not be lifted. Steps should be no more than 30 centimeters, 3 at a time, and any gradient will be maneuvered by making a ramp with wooden boards. Hot tubs come wrapped in packaging. Allow 50 millimeters clearance on each side, meaning if your hot tub measures in at 2050 by 2050 by 780 millimeters, you will need a height of at least 2150 millimeters and a width of 880 millimeters. Hot tubs are not flexible. They will not bend around corners. Make sure any turns allow enough space for the hot tub, no more than 90 degrees. Once at your site, your hot tub will be lowered down into position. Your site must be a solid base with electrics installed, and we need to know about any other obstacles, such as gazebos, lights, plants, or if your hot tub is to be installed indoors. Another thing to note is that your hot tub does not come with a power cable included. You need to supply one for our install team to connect your hot tub to. Your cable needs to be installed by a professional electrician with a suitable outdoor socket or isolator switch depending on the hot tub's required power supply. Your cable needs to be long enough to go from the isolator switch or power socket down to the floor, across to the hot tub site, and around the base of the tub to where the control panel will be. We recommend 50 centimeters of extra cable for flexibility. If your site is being built custom and your cable will come up out of the ground, under decking, or set into a concrete base, please make sure it surfaces at the side of where the hot tub will sit, not in the center of the base, as we cannot rest a hot tub on top of the cable. You will need to submit a pre-delivery access form to our customer service and technical team to make sure that your planned hot tub site is ready and that the delivery route to that site is achievable for our engineers. We cannot deliver the hot tub without this information, so you need to submit this along with photos and video well before your delivery date. We need to know the exact route that your hot tub will take from the back of our flatbed truck to your site, including any turns, steps, obstacles, and overhangings. We need to keep our engineers safe and make sure to not risk any damage to your property or new hot tub. You will find the pre-delivery access form to provide us with this information on our website, www.bluewhalespa.com/PDC. Let's take a look at the form and work through it together. Fill in your name, postcode, and email. Your sales order number will be in the order confirmation email sent to you at the time of purchase. The first measurement we need is minimum width. We need to know the narrowest width that the hot tub will need to fit through to get to your site. This may be the gate at the side of your house, the gap between your house and the next, the space between your bushes and the fence. Following this, we need to know the minimum height. What is the lowest height restriction on the way to your hot tub site? Does your fence have an archway at the top? Are there pipes or wires crossing the side of your house? Any outcroppings of plumbing or roof structures that will overhang the path? Finally, we will need photos or video of the full route from where our engineers will park their van to where your hot tub site is. This will help us identify any potential maneuvering that will be needed. Please include details about street parking availability, distance, steps, gradient, turns, and obstacles. We shall review your form and get in touch if we need more information. If it is determined that your hot tub will not fit through your outside access route, there are other options. Perhaps your neighbor has better access and will allow you to remove a fence panel to reach your site, or you can hire a crane or lifting equipment to maneuver over walls or your house. If you think that one of these options will be needed, please still fill in the form and provide in the description if you would like to pursue one of these options, and we will call you to advise. We pride ourselves on having a successful delivery rate of 98%. Please bear in mind, although it is rare, a hot tub delivery can still fail. This is usually down to a factor being overlooked, inaccurate measurements given, or something not as described on the day of delivery. To maximize your chance of a successful delivery, please double-check your measurements and be as accurate as possible. Provide detailed descriptions of any uneven ground and calculate factors like total distance from unloading to final resting place of the hot tub. This is why slow, steady videos of the full route is preferred over photos, as we can review your route and get in touch if we notice any issues or missing details. If you have any questions, please call the Blue Whale Spa customer service team on 0115 954 8888.